Hispanic Heritage Month with iHeartMedia. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Signal authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey beginning at 10:50 a.m. and ending at 12:50 p.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. If there's been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard will have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Z100 and is dining out alone. Is it comfortable or uncomfortable for you? Restaurants are actually adapting to it. We'll tell you about that and also 2 hours commercial free coming your way at 11:30.
New York's #1 hit music station.